Now, what if I told you I was able to turn an account of $20 to $200 in just 2 days? So I funded my account with only $20, just like as you can scale my screen, and over here you can see over $200 made in just 2 days. Now I was trading just two pair, GBP USD and XAU USD, which is good. So I'm going to first show you where I was closing up my profit, where I got stopped out, the leverage on the account, and much more. So guys, don't forget to smash that like button. Follow me to the end on this video, because this video is going to be a powerful breakdown of how I was able to turn an account of $20 to $200. I'm just so excited now. It's so crazy, right? But so crazy. But so without no further ado, guys, let us dive straight into the chart and let's see how I actually did this magic. Now notice this total trade I used to grow this small account of $20 to $200. There was total no losses. I had no losses. I took no loss. That's what I mean. I took no losses. I rided the whole move straight up or straight down, and it wasn't a scalping trade, it's a long-term trade. So the first trade I took was on GBP USD. I opened 3 positions, 0.01 lot size, entered sales on GBP USD and buys on USD JPY. I made some good profit over there. Then I did something. I dragged my stop loss to break even, with the market later reversed and hit my break even, and I closed the position with 0.6 US dollars, 0.27 US dollars, and 0.40 something US dollars, and at least my profit was secured. So the second trade I took was on GBP USD and USD JPY. Now after I already got stopped out on my break even, which I was secured with some little profit, I later saw a good entry that I could literally take the trade to literally make some good profit. So I had a clear zone that the market reached. So the market reached my zone and I entered those beautiful sales on GBP USD and beautiful buys on USD JPY. The third trade that I took was on gold, XAU USD and USD JPY and GBP USD. I rided the whole move. Immediately the London session was open, I went up and cut up some beautiful trades. Now if you want to learn more about trading and making money online, make sure you subscribe, and if you're enjoying this video, you could also smash that like button, and let's get back straight into the video. From this fourth trade, I traded only gold. I had a clear set of gold was just in crazy good market trade, and the market was just so good to literally trade gold. I made some good profit up there. You get that kind of stuff. I made some good profit on gold. I read the whole move up. It got to the time I took sales on gold also, but I made some good profit on gold because it wasn't a scalping trade. I hold the trade for 1 hour, 2 hours, 30 minutes, and the trade already gave me all I wanted. Now coming to the last trade that I took, I already had the setup, so I tried something I've never done before. After I saw the setup, it was on gold and GBP USD. Then the candlestick formation, I just screenshotted it and went straight to ChatGPT, the AI app, to confirm the setup, and that was where I made the highest profit. Closed up gold on $43, $24, and $23 made, just like you can see here. Just like you can see, I don't know if you can see it on gold. This was the last trade I took on gold. Make some good profit up here. So the leverage on this account is 1 to 100. Now note this: the bigger the leverage, the bigger the risk. And you want to use the broker that I use, the link is in the description. Good tight spread, you can scale in much more trades as you want, but it comes to your risk. My own can apply risk manual. So without no further ado, I'll first show you how I generated this clean setup. So follow me on, let me show you the breakdown of how I did this magic. Yeah, so coming to the first trade I took, it was on GBP USD. So what can we see here? We see that the market was in an uptrend and we saw we drew our trend line and we located some good touches that the market has reached. Looking at this place, the market reached here and pushed up. Same thing he did, he came to this side, he hit here. Same thing he did, came to this side, he hit here, and it pushed up. Now what happened was that the market got to this zone. But now note this: levels must be broken or respected. After the market got here, we're expecting to see it push up, but something happened. The market now pushed down, came back for a pullback, and this was where we were entering sales on GBP. We were riding the whole move straight up. straight down. So you were seeing that was how I was doing the trade, that was how I was entering the setup. You see throughout there you could see my targeted zone starting from here. I was entering sales, so I entered sales. The first sale hit take profit. As I was going down again, I saw some break of structure. Let's go to the 1 hour chart and see how we're looking. So on the 1 hour chart now you can see how we are looking on the 1 hour chart. There were break of structures, so we were just scaling in trades there, right there in the break of structures. So you can see this little zone I'm marking in. These were break of structures I was using to scale in the trades on GBP USD, and I was making huge profit. Now coming to this side again, the market now, after the market has pushed, here is on the 1 hour chart. After the market has pushed, you see that the market is reversing. The market did not now continuously push down. Now something happened that the market pushed up, go to that zone, then started to push down. Then now we entered our sell around here on GBP USD. We entered good sell, take profit hit. So now coming to the second trade I took, it was on USD JPY. So USD JPY, this was where I saw the setup. On USD JPY around here. So the market now on USD JPY was in a good push to the upside. Then around this point here, the market was a bit of consolidating. Around this point here, the market was a bit of consolidating. This point here, the market was consolidating. Then I entered a buy because I had a target zone, which is this supply zone above. I was expecting to see the market push to that supply zone. So you could see. So this was where I now. Oh, so sorry about that. This was where I now entered the buy. I took a buy around here. From here, then I targeted my stop loss. My stop loss was just a little bit here. Then I targeted that zone. Take profit hits, just like you can see, very easy. And I'm currently on a sell on USD JPY because it has reached my demand zone, and I'm expecting the market to try to push up. So that was the second trade I took. I rided the whole move straight up. So now coming to gold was just so overwhelming. I traded gold, like gold was just giving me so many profits. I made so much money on gold. You can see my chart is filled with profit. So now guess what happened? Let's go to the bigger time frame and see before our chart. So gold pushed. After gold pushed to this zone, after you can see that huge push, that good push to the upside. Then it got to this zone, form a double bottom. Now gold started to push down. Now what I did was that I scaled down to smaller time frame. I went over to the 1 hour time frame. So after coming down to the 1 hour time frame, I saw that whoa, that gold came back down to our former supply zone, which was broken. You see that gold pushed up from here. Gold pushed up. After gold pushed up, then right around here, gold came down. You can see after that huge push, then we saw that gold started to push down. Then it pushed down. Then now what happened? It came to our supply zone. After I came to our supply zone, good supply zone, then I entered one sell on gold. You see the candlestick patterns. After I pushed, got to the supply zone, I entered sales, beautiful sales, take profit hit on gold. Then now I was waiting for this my demand zone, which has been respected. This demand zone of here. This is my demand zone. This was a very valid demand zone. This one off here. So after I got to that zone, I entered buys on gold. So I was just making profit on gold. I entered buys. You see, I hold the trade. The market pushed. Here the market pushed. After I entered the buys, after closing the sales, the market pushed. After I pushed, I scaling more positions. That's why I was scaling more position. The market got to that supply zone. I entered sales. After the market got to this supply zone off here, then I entered sales, take profit hit. Then again, I entered buys. I forget to indicate this. I entered buys again on gold around here. Around here, I entered another buy. I targeted. I just drag my stop loss a little. Then I targeted this zone, which I later closed off. I didn't hit take profit on that one. Now I see I'm already on profit on gold. I'm already riding gold down because I see that gold is already going to continuously push down. So I'm targeting this last zone off here. I'm targeting this zone. I'm expecting gold to push down to this zone. So that's how I actually generated this whole $20 trade to $30, trading only 11 trades straight.